Hello from the Brown Cow. Have you ever wondered how custom ice cream creations get made? Well, we're going to show you exactly how. Every month, you can make a totally sweet ice cream creation with your friends and family in our new series, What's the Scoop? All you have to do is pick up a kit from the Brown Cow with everything you need to get started, and then join me here on YouTube so we can make it together. So be sure to like the video and subscribe to the Brown Cow YouTube channel so you can keep track of all of the upcoming creations and Brown Cow content. What's the scoop this month? Cake pops! They're super cute and they're quite delicious and pretty easy to do, and we're going to show you how. We have kits here at the Brown Cow and you can choose from either yellow cake or chocolate cake. So first we're going to make the dough, then we're going to form them into balls and set them, and then we'll get all of the candy melts ready and we'll decorate them together. Are you ready to get started? The first thing we're going to do is to make the cake pop dough, and you will have chosen either yellow cake or chocolate cake. I'm going to show you the yellow cake today. So first you're going to need a bowl and a spatula, and you're going to take your yellow cake and you're just going to crumble it up. We're going to use our hands and you're going to get dirty. All right, once it's all crumbled up nice and fine, we're gonna add in our buttercream frosting. So these were probably in the refrigerator when you picked up your kit. So you'll want to warm up that buttercream frosting a little bit. Now remember, it's literally just butter and sugar and vanilla, so you don't wanna warm it up too much. You wanna put it in the microwave for probably about 15 seconds, and that should be soft enough for you. So you're gonna add in the buttercream frosting here. And you can either use your spatula, but it's quite hard to do it that way. I just suggest that you use your hands. It's starting to look like a dough. So when you have it all together, it pretty much forms a ball like this, like it would be any other kind of dough. And from there, we're gonna start to make our little cupcake cake pop balls. This is where you're gonna pull out your parchment paper. So your parchment paper can go onto a sheet pan or on the table. You're gonna wanna put them in the refrigerator. So I put it on a little sheet just like this. So you just take a ball, whatever size you want. You can make anywhere between 6 and 12 depending on the size of your cake pops. So you're gonna put it in your hands and roll it into a ball like it's Play-Doh. Make it nice and tight. I'm gonna make mine like this big. All right, so you're gonna do all of them that way. These kits make about 12 cake pops. And if you want both chocolate and yellow, just get one of each. I made mine a little bit bigger just so it's going to be easier to show you. But I have all the cake pops, cake balls ready, and I'm going to put those in the refrigerator. What I recommend though is to put the dowel rods in first. You're going to have different dowel rods. They're just on back order right now, but they'll be in your kit. They're going to be cute little white ones. Right now I'm going to use these giant ones. I'm going to put them in now though because we want those to set in the balls when they're cooling in the refrigerator. You can also freeze them, but refrigerator just fine. As they set with the dowel rods in it, it's gonna make it easier for it to stick on the dowel rod when you're dipping it into the different chocolates. So make sure they're nice and straight and centered in the middle. It makes it a little easier. So I'm gonna go take this to the refrigerator, and I'm also gonna take my candy melts and put them in the microwave. So we give you white ones. You can actually color those or divide them up and make different colors. I'm gonna divide them up and make pink and green because it's almost St. Patrick's Day. And so I'm gonna make some green ones for St. Patrick's Day, some cute little pink ones, and then we'll make some white ones as well. But you put those in the microwave for 30 seconds and you're gonna stir it with a spoon, 30 seconds more, stir it with a spoon. You don't wanna burn them. You just wanna get it so it's a nice, smooth texture. All right, be right back. Okay, everything is all set. The cake pops are nice and cold, and all of the chocolates are nice and melted, so you want to be able to swirl those around. I made a couple different colors. So I made pink and I made green, and then we also have all of the different sprinkles that we offer for you. So let's dive in and show you how to do this. You want to make sure that they are nice and cold. If they are too warm, they're not going to work. They're going to fall off of your stick. So let's start with the white one. You're going to turn it to the side like this, so that you have enough depth in order to cover it, and you're just gonna turn it around slowly. So you're gonna turn and turn and turn. Don't worry about covering that bottom, we can get to that at the end. And then you're gonna turn and turn and turn as it starts to cool. If you find that they're lumpy and bumpy, it's okay. They're gonna taste delicious, but you're welcome to then go ahead and make sure that the rest of them are nice and round. So like this one's a little lumpy bumpy, it's okay. I'm gonna scrape any excess that's dripping off on the sides, just like this. We give you a cake pop box to set them in so they can set upright. They're gonna start to drip a little bit. If they do, you can just like literally wipe them off if you want, or just let them be. It's not a big deal. It's gonna taste delicious. So while it's still though wet, you're gonna wanna put your sprinkles on. And then you can move on to your next one. You're gonna wanna work pretty fast because you don't want all of your chocolates to get too hard. So I'm gonna start to move through these pretty fast, and I'll join with you as you make yours. All right, we're all done, and they're so cute. And I can't wait to see what you guys created at home. So please don't forget to take some video and pictures along the way and post them on social media. Hashtag BC What's the Scoop so we can see what yours look like. And if you had fun, feel free to share this video with friends and family. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you then. Thanks for joining us.